Welcome back. Another tutorial. This time we're going to show ourselves how to do a conditional formatting based on some values that are in your worksheet. So, for example, we want that once if a plot is allocated, the whole of that row should be highlighted red and cancelled out so that the user will know that that whole plot is allocated and shouldn't be tampered with by trying to reallocate it. Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to format this row. Okay, so conditional formatting. Let's go to the home page, the home tab. Right. Under the home tab, we go to conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting. We want that if this cell, any of these cells contains allocated, then it is out of bounds now. Once the status of it is changed to allocated, it should be highlighted some red, otherwise some other color. So let's see. Home tab, then formatting. Create a new rule that should be applied. Okay, so format. If this value format values where this formula is true. Okay, like that. So not format. Right. So I'm currently in that cell. So format where a that's D2 equals D2 equals allocated. Right. Do the formatting. Once that formula is true, format it this way. So we are now going to click the format button to do the formatting of that cell. PC is slow, man. Let me have to control this. Alright. So once it is that we will strike through. Alright. reformat it this color, orange, orange, and then strike through, orange, strike through, and then we may want to give a background if we want to, otherwise we leave it. So whatever your choices, your choices, your choices, your choices. You need to know where to go around, and after that you can apply. So if I choose to make the background green and then the text cancelled out, and possibly the font you want it to be bolder, and then increase the font to be bold, right? So we just say okay, right? It'll be like that. That's the preview. So wherever this is D2 is equal to this, we expect that to be true. I didn't choose go back home, conditional formatting, go and edit that, manage rules, set D2, it applies to only D2. No, we want to modify it to apply to the whole row. So it applies to um, D2, applies to the whole of that, right? That whole place that we want up to 26, right? It applies to this. That's what we want to say. Then D2, let's edit it, double click on it and edit D, right? C ampersand D2, wait, dollar sign, dollar sign D2, okay, equals dollar sign D2, make it like this, equals this, okay. So let's apply it and see it works. All those are actually marked allocated. So if you say okay, forgive me, my files are disturbing behind my window. I haven't given them the evening's mail. So if I choose not allocated for any of these, I expect it to go back and do a different coloration. It reverses the coloring. Alright? So on condition that for the whole area I have selected, anytime some value changes, any of the time the value here is changed, that whole place will be formatted. Change to some value not allocated, then it's there. So allocated is green, not allocated is that. So if you want to actually also give a different color for not allocated, then you have to give it a different rule. Alright. So this is the idea. So we format some rows based on. Otherwise, if we do not want it to apply to the whole rows, then we can just limit. Let's go back. Go back to the conditional formatting rules. Go to conditional formatting. Now come to manage rules because they already exist, so we're just coming to modify them. So notice if I double click, it opens there. So I said D2 down. You are continuously looking in D2, only the D column. That's how come I have my dollar sign by only the D, and the numbering is continuous, but it will not look in any other column apart from the D and going down. So if the value is allocated, do this, right? So that is formatting conditionally. So if you keep using this sheet, anytime you look visually, you should be able to just tell this particular one is allocated and the other is not allocated. Right? So we cancel. And so the similarly, if you want to give the not allocated a different color, we equally build another formula like similar to that one, just by saying if D2, you want the same formula that is D2, that dollar sign D2 equals to not allocated, and you, because it's text, you just quote it, right? That is the formula. You want it to be true each time that is true, D something, then you do the formatting that you want to see based on that formula, right? So we want to also give that one a different formatting. We want to give it, let's say, black, right? Black, and you want the text black and bold. That's for the text actually. I want to go and give the field. The text should be white because I want the background to be black. So I will make the text white, which you can see until I do the field. The field is the background. So we give the black there. So that will look like that. Then we say, okay. Then you see the sample of how it will look like if you should okay it. So we say, yes, that looks cool. Then we'll go ahead and say, okay. So these two rules are now there. But notice that it is only working with wherever I'm currently have. So I want it to also apply to the same area. I can type it or I can strike, right? I can just highlight it all of that way up to that point to where I want the formatting to apply. And say okay by pressing enter. And that is just comparable to this first one. So wherever it's not allocated, it will be black background. And then you apply. And you say okay. Something went wrong or not allocated. Did I type in not allocated wrong or something in the formula? Yes, so let's go back to the conditional formatting, manage rules, and look at how we typed our formula. See that we typed something wrong. Look at that. Not allocate is what we typed. So definitely it didn't find that in the data. So there's no way it will format. So we clean, not allocate TED, and then before we close the quotes, right? Then we go back, close the quotes well, make sure the quotes is closed well. We don't even need the first quote, right? It should be like that. And we say okay. Now that is how it is. Then we say apply. See that? Say okay. So once I did that rightfully, anytime it finds that value in this column, it automatically formats that row. This can be very handy when you want to be guided as to which value is for what purpose. And then you are there. So once I change this value to allocated, that becomes green. Otherwise, it is white because no text is in it. Okay. And because we earlier on did the validation, you don't allow any other thing in there. So you say validation just will catch you. So with this, your your data will be clean, right? So in a nutshell, that's it. And I hope this helps and adds on to your knowledge set. All right. Thank you.